When you purchase your Axiom 2x2 CNC, it will arrive in packaging similar to this. Excited to open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, now we're ready to lift the machine from the box. This is a two-man lift. You'll need some help. Now that the CNC is out of the box, we're going to walk through everything that's included. Here we have the Ethernet cable used to connect your CNC to your PC. We have the power cable for your CNC. We have the leveling feet for your CNC. We have the thumb drive with your UC CNC software and installation instructions. We have spanner wrenches for your collet nut. We have an 1/8 inch collet. The 1/4 inch collet is installed in the spindle. We have our touch-off puck. We have 4 screws for mounting the Z-axis and spindle. And we have Vectric desktop software.